would you like to know how I went from 11 years to burnout to breakthrough and how I shattered in 90 days, shattered that ceiling, discovered the code, and had total time and financial freedom for the remainder of my practice? Hey, I had 4 management groups, and they taught me the patient education system. I got tired of convincing, tired of people quitting. Some people get it, some people don't. Some people walk out, some people stay. And yet, in one moment, I had a breakthrough that shattered that glass ceiling. And in 90 days, I doubled my PVA. People stayed, they brought their family right from day one. I had high retention. My associate could do all the adjusting. I could show up or not show up, and my team ran everything without me. I could show up when I wanted to and just be the healer and just adjust people day ones, day twos, and just basically have fun. Well, hey, we're going to do the 5-day challenge. That's how I mastered my practice, how to work on your practice, not in your practice. 5-day challenge. Click on the link below because I'm going to show you how I've helped hundreds of doctors do the same. So if you're tired of being on the hamster wheel, if you're tired of convincing patients to doing the right thing, if you're tired of asking them, bring into their family, and you want 90% lifestyle patients, that's living chiropractic, creating a legacy that lasts generations, not only like I did, but what I've been teaching doctors to do for 20 years. I'm going to show you what I taught them and what I did for free. So register on there August 5th through the 9th. Please send this to other chiropractors. Let's make a bigger difference in chiropractic healthcare and make an impact. People moving into chiropractic more than ever before. I'll see you there. Peace.